Now guys, it is How to Be a Basic Person, or Brandon for short. I'm right here with my friend Papita. Hi. I'm right here with Papita. We're riding skateboards or penny boards. So I'm just doing, this is what we do on Mondays. We ride the penny boards, go with friends. Then probably we just eat elotes.
We're not allowed to go to Kevin's right now.
Yeah, true that. I'm not gonna go on Kevin's because.
Let's go!
Shit,
Vlogs on Monday! Woo! Wow! Wow! Go! 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 Chris! Vlogs on Monday!
Vlogs on Mondays!
Vlogs on a holiday!
Martin Luther King!
Monday vlogs! Woo! Look at that crazy person driving!
Damn, that's a truck.
Monday vlog!
Monday!
Oh shit! If you guys want to know where we live, that's for us to know and you guys to find out.
Oh,
Yeah. Why are you showing them that?
who are you calling that?
Yeah, I'm talking to you. Watch out. Vlogs on the house.
Oh shit, my shoe. Papa, you okay? Oh shit. Papa! Oh my god, you fell. That skateboard went that far. Boy, I know what I'm doing. Car almost ran me over. Better catch up?
Monday vlogs on a holiday.
Yeah.
You guys had a funny holiday.
Yeah, true that.
Brandon, go to the house.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
Watch out.
There goes Rocky.
Shoot. You keep doing vlogs. I'm going to my jacket.
Boy, I know what I'm doing.
I got the top. Come on, keep vlogging. Get down. Look at Cookie. How'd he get up there? He's a savage.
Right here in my backyard with Razor. Razor. Ow! My face! Ow! What's up? So I was talking about that Rita had puppies, right? And yeah, she did. That's Rita. Rita. Good little Rita. That's Rita. This Cookie. The white one, little Ann and Chain, old Dan, Loretta. She had puppies. And my little brother.
Take these. Want to go to Kevin's?
You told my mom?
Go. Oh, you still vlogging on the skateboards?
Yep. Where's the penny board? Oh, let's go.
How is he gonna ride?
We're gonna go to Kevin.
Oh, we're gonna go?
Alright guys, that is a vlog. I hope you guys
It's a holiday, people.
It's a holiday vlog. Alright, so make sure to give it a thumbs up, or if you're like lazy enough to do it.
And let us get 100 subscribers.
No, not like 100. Just whatever subscribers you want to like get.
4 subscribers.
At least like 4. At least like 4. At least
We're
like 4.
past 4.
But we have 19.
No,
Alright
Have to
guys.
be a basic person.
Alright, that is the vlog. I'll see you guys later.
Noggin.